Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials, both iPhones updated and connected to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth on. Sign into the same Apple ID on the iPhone you want messages to appear on. Once done, open Settings Messages and toggle iMessage on. This registers the device with Apple's servers. Make sure FaceTime and Send and Receive share the same Apple ID. Doing this first avoids syncing conflicts and lets messages route to both phones securely as you proceed. You now configure where messages land. Go to Settings, Messages, Send, and Receive on the new iPhone. Tap the Apple ID if needed and confirm you're signed in, then check the phone number and email addresses you want to receive iMessages. Once selected, the device asks to verify, accept the code on the original phone if prompted. Make sure the correct caller ID is chosen as well. This tells Apple which addresses should be routed to this device, so messages appear consistently. Finish by testing. Send an iMessage from a different device to the addresses you enabled. You should see it on the newly linked iPhone. If not, restart both phones and verify send and receive again. Make sure time and date are automatic and Apple ID is fully verified. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID on the destination phone, sign back in, or reset network settings. These steps reinitialize the connection to Apple servers and resolve most syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.